To interpret Best Places restaurants, start by understanding the concept of Best Places, a website that provides information and rankings for various cities and towns across the United States. The restaurant section is a valuable resource for finding the best dining options in a particular area. Begin by selecting the city or town you are interested in. Then navigate to the restaurants section. You will be presented with a list of top-rated restaurants, along with their overall rating, price range, and cuisine type. The overall rating is based on reviews from various sources, including diners and critics. Look for the rating system, which is usually based on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest. A higher rating indicates a better dining experience. You can also filter the results by price range, from budget-friendly to expensive, and by cuisine type, such as Italian, Mexican, or Asian. To get a more detailed understanding of a particular restaurant, click on its profile page. Here, you will find more information, including the address, phone number, and hours of operation. You can also read reviews from other diners, which can provide valuable insights into the quality of the food, service, and atmosphere. When reading reviews, pay attention to the overall tone and look for common themes or complaints. Be wary of fake or biased reviews, and take the time to read multiple reviews to get a well-rounded understanding of the restaurant. In addition to the reviews, look for awards or recognition the restaurant has received, such as Michelin stars or awards from local food critics. These can be a good indicator of the restaurant's quality and reputation. Finally, use the information provided by Best Places to make an informed decision about which restaurant to choose. Consider your budget, preferences, and the type of dining experience you are looking for. By following these steps and using the resources provided by Best Places, you can find the best restaurants in your area and enjoy a great dining experience.